Hi guys, this one's dedicated to the biggest pop rock and soul star ever. This is a program from the Bad Tour I attended back in 1988, and this is from the Dangerous Tour I attended in '92. And this is just a magazine cover from the '80s from Revolution magazine. I'm going to start off with just a normal cotton glove, and I believe that's where the inspiration came from. I've got to make it look like an actual hand glove, so first I'm going to do is put some padding in the bottom of the glove and just fold it over. And once that's done, I've just got to stitch it all together and tuck the excess underneath. Here you can see me just stitching it all together. And that's done. And then I'm just going to cut a little section out of the centre of the glove where the clasp goes. You see me cutting it out there. And then this is also going to be stitched with some padding, which I'm doing here. Very delicate work. And now that that's done, I'll just show you what I've got so far. Like I said, I've tucked the excess under, and this is the section I've cut out for the clasp, which I'm not going to fit. Let's get a little close up there. Now that that's done, I've made this wooden hand for the glove because I've got to attach the diamonds to it. The diamonds are actually iron on. So there you go, I've fitted the hand inside the glove. All I've got to do now is add the diamonds. Like I said, these diamonds are actually iron on. So all I've got to do is place them neatly onto the glove, like so. And I'm just using this bit of cardboard to get a bit of sequence alignment. And I'm pretty much done with the one side of the glove. Just lining up a couple of more of the diamonds here. And all I'm going to do then is put a bit of tissue over the whole thing and get my iron out. And you just got to hold it on there for a couple of minutes, and the diamonds will stick to the glove. And just do this top section here. Just cover that little bit of diamond sticking out here, and like I said, just hold the iron on for about a couple of minutes or so, and it will adhere the diamonds to the glove.
Down here, sometimes I think about all those people still plugged into the matrix and all that machine.
And I've done the one side, as you can see here, still a bit warm to touch. So all I've got to do now is flip it over and then iron the diamonds onto the other side. Just got to fix this section up, and same again, I'm using a bit of card just to get a bit of sequence, bit of alignment, so that I can lay them out nice and neat.
if I don't deliver you to the keymaker, should you?
And then once again, just put a bit of tissue over it, and just hold the iron over for a couple of minutes so the diamonds stick. And I'm just going to do the fingertips. Just carefully lift the tissue off. And that's that section done. I am going to put some more diamonds around the sides as well, the sides of the fingers, and just show you how far I've got.
Every alarm triggers the bomb.
That's it, nearly complete. I've got to put a lot more diamonds on it though, just trying it out to see if it's okay, see if the diamonds stick, which they are.
If one fails, so must the other.
And I'm going to use this hand model to going to put that on a turntable. I'll just show you that in a second. I'm just going to use this hand model here. I'll just try the glove on that.
And you know,
I know because I must know. It is my purpose.
There you go.
It's the reason I'm here. The same reason we're all here.
So I've just sprayed the model, as you can see here, just to get the right tone. Just turn it around. Use this bit of card as a masking, and as I spray the other side. And that's complete. So I'm just going to fast forward this section. This is where I'm making the base with a turntable. With a sequence. And I've also put together a microphone. And here's the finished article. Let's give you a close up.
I love it, and I would like to think someone else in turn.
And as you can see here, I've added a sleeve, sequence sleeve. And place it on the turntable. And I've also incorporated a light, reflects the diamonds and the sequence at night. Just give it a close-up of the diamonds here. And finally, I've added a Perspex case. Just fits over the top there. And that pretty much concludes. Thanks for watching once again, and please subscribe.